YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here today to say welcome to the new year. I gotta post this video, and to make the video. But anyway, this is my planner for the year 2022. On my other channel, his Scribe, I do scripture writing, Bible sketchnoting, and things like that in my Happy Planner. And so I wanted to get another one of those to go with this upcoming year, and to do my scripture writing, scripture doodling notes and stuff in there, whatever. So working out how I'm going to do my layouts for this year. Last year, I was excited because I did the whole entire year, and I used this Happy Planner, and I wrote out my scriptures every single day, and I decorated my pages. And if you want to see a flip through, you can see a flip through on my other channel, his Scribe. I'll have the information below. But anyway, so that's what I did, and I had a horizontal layout last year. It was a one-page horizontal layout. I didn't use the outsides, which I may go back and do something with that this year. I'm not sure. I'm still thinking on it, but that was what I used last year. So this year, I went to Michael's, and I got the 12-month, and it was on sale, the 12-month planner, horizontal. And this one they had 60% off, so that's why I got it, because I wasn't going to get another one. I was going to repurpose one of my older ones that I had, but this was 60% off, so it made it very affordable. And it's dated June 21 to May 22, and I'm going to, of course, read. It says, being busy awesome. Busy being awesome. I totally read that back, I'm sorry. But anyway, and so this is the layout. It says, stay chic. And it says 21-22. I'm going to retab these, and that's all I'm going to do is just put some retabs on them. It has the planner layout here, and came with some stickers, some emojis, and a couple of banners, and notes and stuff like that, and a couple of little cute little stickers to go along with it. So I figured that would be perfect to use. And they have shopping, blank ones, vacation, happy birthdays, and doctor's appointments, which I really won't be using these in this planner for that, because this is going to be all writing. It has pockets here, and I like the colors. And again, it starts with the month of June, and it goes all the way through from June of 2021, and it goes all the way through May of 2022. And then it has a note section and a couple blank pages. Now this is spiral bound, so you cannot add or subtract. So what I'm going to do is, again, I'm going to start this with January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December, and then I will keep the note section as the note section. And so I would just, I'm not so much worried about these, because I don't usually do these in my planners. When I did my traditional planning way, I did kind of put a couple things on that one, but when I do the scripture writings in them, I don't. So I wanted a horizontal one because I'm going to do more of a 2-page horizontal layout versus this one where I just did a daily scripture. When I read the Bible through every single year, I read it in chronological order, and then I just write out a scripture from the 3 chapters that I read each day, so that you can complete the Bible in a year, which is a very easy, quick way to read the Bible in a year. 15 minutes at the most, and everybody has 15 minutes. It does take sacrifice to do that, and you don't understand everything you read when you read it, but that's okay. But the whole thing is to get through it, read it once, and then everything seems to come alive, you understand it. So I did this way, but this year I wanted a 2-page layout because I want to write it more, even though I don't like my penmanship, it's going to be more descriptive, not descriptive, more doodly type way. Just a different layout in my mind that I'm going to kind of do. So that's what I'm going to do for this year. And that one, of course, you can see the videos on my Scribe if you're interested in that. If you do like Bible journaling, Bible sketch notes, Bible doodling, scripture writing plans, those type of things. So that's what's going to be in this one. And then I did pick up some more card sleeves, the A2 and the A7 size. I got them on sale, which is weird. One was on sale and the other one didn't. This one wouldn't take the 20% off coupon, but this one did. Michael's, sometimes I just can't with Michael's the way they do that stuff. Anyway, this was also on clearance for $5. And this is the Wild and Chic, which actually goes along with this planner, so that's why I ended up getting both of them together. So this is washi in case I decide to add washi to these pages, which I think would be perfect because they match. You got your same prints right here and the girls and everything. So yeah, I was happy to get both of these on a sale price, and so that's what I'm going to do for 2022. And so hopefully you come join me on my other channel, subscribe. You can see a flip through for what I did last year. You can see all the other videos I did last year. I did a weekly video, typically on Sundays, showing what I did for my scripture writing layout, which you can still use for planners as well. It's like a planner layout, the way I did the washi and the stamping and things like that. Great way to use up your supplies. So anyway, thank you for stopping by. Thanks for liking and subscribing, and I pray you guys are having an awesome, awesome day. And guess what? I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.